Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to reset Service B on a Mercedes GL450. Begin by parking on level ground and turning the ignition to position 2 without starting the engine. Use the steering wheel buttons to navigate the instrument cluster menu to the service section. Follow prompts to confirm a full reset and wait for the confirmation message. This process is simple and saves a dealer trip when routine maintenance is already complete. Start by ensuring doors are closed and the parking brake is set for safety and stability. With the ignition in position 2, use the left steering wheel controls to access the vehicle information or service menu. Scroll to the Service B entry and press OK to select it, then confirm the reset when prompted. Wait for the instrument cluster to display a confirmation, and then turn off the ignition to finish the process. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more car guides. Quick recommendation: grab a copy of The Simple Path to Wealth as a relaxed companion while you work on maintenance. It makes budgeting feel easier and less stressful. I recommend checking the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. If you cannot find Service B in the menu, try fully powering down the vehicle, then repeating the steps after 30 seconds. Persistent reminders often mean a fault code or incomplete maintenance that needs resolving before a reset will stick. Use a diagnostic scanner or check the owner manual for guidance, and consider professional service if you encounter fault codes. This helps ensure the reset is valid and the vehicle remains safe and reliable.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.